Hello and welcome. I'm Neerav from TuskerAndHooligan, and this today I have received a special parcel that I had been waiting for since so many days. You see this? Let's quickly unbox and see what's inside. I had been waiting for this parcel from the day it was launched. I have been an avid rider and I use communication devices very often, to whether it is to listen to music, follow maps, or even if it is to talk to fellow riders. But then what I always faced was that my devices gave up on me at the wrong time. So this today is from BluArmor. BluArmor recently launched their C60, C40 and C10. Now this, let's see what's inside. I'm very excited and here we go. Can't wait to see what's inside. Yeah, I have paid for it, so I know what it is. But then, the excitement of getting stuff in your hand. And there it is. So as we slowly take things out, this is BluArmor's C10. Wow. And the next thing is the C60Pro. Amazing, isn't it? Now, C60Pro was something that I was badly looking forward to, primarily because it comes with a MacDock connection and has the brake light and several other features that we'll discuss as we go along. But then, yes, when I read it off the pack, it says it has the Ride Aura, the Motion Sense, MacDock 2.0, Ride Grid 2.0, Mesh Intercom, E-Ride Grid, Port Weave, Hey Blue. So many features. I don't know how many I would end up using really. So let's quickly see what's inside. So there we go. This is the BluArmor C60Pro, like I just said. Now let's quickly unbox this. It's a fairly interesting way that they have packed this. This quickly slides open and man, how does this open up? Oh, there you go. Sealed with the BluArmor. There, slowly. Okay, I'm impatient. And there, that's opening, and let's see what's in it. It's the device. Oh, wow. This is the template that they give with it. I don't know how I'm going to use this, but I'll figure that out. So this is everything that comes inside the device itself. Look how cute and small this is. I'm sure it will look amazing on my helmet, the red colored helmet. This is the dock. This is supposed to go sit inside this. This, I believe, is the normal dock. And this is the Mac dock. Now, the device is supposed to magnetically attach to this. Wow, it did, and it turned on. Wow, this is too good. I didn't expect that. Let's turn it off for now. Let's keep it all aside. The device is still on, probably looking to pair. This here, what does it contain? Oh my. What is this? This is the, wow, this is the T-stick holder. This seems to be another T-stick holder. This goes onto the mirror mount. Let me quickly show you how it looks. And that, my dear friend, attaches to your mirror. There are a couple more tools, an Allen key, a washer, but all of that for later. This is the T-stick itself, it looks like. Yes, it is. It is the T-stick indeed. And there you go. The T-stick, as you know, is used to control the BluArmor device from bike handle. I don't know how much I'll use it. I'm more of a glove person. So I would probably just click, click, click. Yeah. And this is the Velcro mount, which allows me to mount the T-stick and take it off when I want. There are a couple of silicone bases just to adjust how tight and loose the T-stick has to be on the handlebar. These are a couple of washers. Oh, this is the mic. Nice. What is this? This is the main connector. This is what connects the BluArmor device with the speakers, with the mic. More of it later. And this is the man of the moment. The speakers and the mic themselves. Whoa. Now let's quickly look at how we can fix it into the helmet, and then we take it forward. This is my Axer X-Cross helmet. I have had a communication device on this earlier. You can see the wire hanging down right now, but then we need to take all that stuff out, and then we'll slowly start setting it inside, and then let's see how it sounds. This, like you can see, is heavily padded. There is lots of cushioning over here. We need to remove this one by one. Slightly difficult. You can see I have taken everything off. This is the old wiring, the old mic. I'm going to slowly remove each one of this. It is all stuck by Velcros that I had used. Ooh, the double side tape is really difficult. Now that I've got all this off, let's quickly put together the pieces that go inside, and then let's see how it performs. So these are the speakers and a gooseneck mic, a soft mic, the wire harness, the dock. This is the dock holder. This fits onto this. And this is the normal dock, which also fits on this. This is the device itself. Now, I'm not a very big fan of soft mics. I feel that they are flimsy and they could break easily. And I definitely prefer the gooseneck mics, but to each their own. Now let's quickly put this into the helmet and see how it works. So like you can see, I've fixed everything into the helmet. This is where the device would mount. The speakers are inside. The mic is here inside. I'll show you a close-up of how the mic looks. We'll connect this to the dock, pair it, and let's see how it performs. So this, like you can see, is now connected. The speakers have been placed inside. I have put additional spacers. The mic is here. Now spacers are needed because I have been reading on forums that BluArmor speakers sound better when they are closer to your ear. I tend to use earplugs. I'll have to see how they perform with the earplugs, but, or whether they cause any kind of discomfort. But then yes, with these spacers, I'm hoping that the sound is going to be really great. Now we just have to fit this into the Mac dock and set it up. Let's quickly do that and see what is in the app. This harness here that has been given is an extra. This is the soft mic like I had called out, and this is the normal mount. We'll not use this for now, but then yes, in the future if required and the harness gives up, this is a good option. Kudos to BluArmor for coming up with something which is so useful as this. I'm now connecting this to my Mac dock. Let's see. Oh, it's a very quick connect. Sits very fast, and it is really, oh man, I could hear it say battery 90%. That's loud. I'm opening the settings and looking for the device you see there, C60Pro. Let's select that. It is connected. And with that, yes, I see that in the settings. Let's quickly open the app. The app's opening. Asks me to look for the device. It has looked for the device. A quick sign in. That's my mail ID with signing in with Google. Giving some permissions. And that should be good. So it is asking me to pair with the T-stick. I'm not going to do that for now. But you can see the app says that the device is set up. We've now completed the setup and this is all ready to go for a ride. I really want to go for a ride right now, but then one in the night and a wife is waiting for me. I'm going to be beaten up if I do that. I meant going to the ride. Not going to the ride. You, I like them again. Thank you. Nothing else.